These guys are busy. A YTX 90-4 V12. I'm just making that up. Tamron battery is situated in this one, and I need a Yuasa battery because I want to try Yuasa. So Tamron is a good brand, but I'd like to be varied. The same capacity, same size even. I just liked it to be Yuasa this time. Lots of cops now. I don't know what they're asking. Probably things regarding the election and gun ban. They're gonna be checking for things. We'll try to ask them later when I come back after I get the battery, because I'm not gonna get that 5 o'clock limit deadline. So if they're still there, let's try and ask them. Also, yeah, Motovloggers Meetup, Davao, Mindanao, Davao City to be exact, because I'm here. A guy, just one motovlog, he's from here. He was telling me that I should do a motovlog meetup, kind of like what Gaki did. I was already in the process of doing that, and yeah, he reminded me. So yeah, I'm doing it. It's coming up in 2 weeks time, March 17. March 16 is araw ng Davao, so I want to coincide with that. It's officially in 16th, it's a Saturday, 17th is a Sunday. Details are in Facebook. Visit my page, Django Moto, one word, 1911. And I'm still gonna be planning the route. I'm still gonna be planning the route. And then I'm in talks for some guys. Maybe we can do something in their place. It's mostly a meetup of the motovloggers, so that we'd be acknowledging everyone. We're the motovloggers in the Davao area and the vicinity of Davao City. This shop that I'm going to, I don't know exactly where it is, so I need to find it still. It specializes in KTMs mostly, and I hope it's here. The Facebook, I just found it in the Mitonico something. Sometimes the maps in Facebook, they're wrong. It's in here somewhere. I just don't know where it is exactly. We're almost at the tip here and I still haven't found it. I am now 80% unsure where to go. Really not sure where it is. I'm just winging it out. Hopefully I find it. It's in the parallel road. Let's check it out. I really don't know where I'm going. Let's see. Yep, it's wrong. The maps, the Facebook map is wrong, so I can't find it here. Hopefully I still got some sun. I'm gonna go home, check it out, call them, and I'll ask them where they are exactly. I can come here and get that battery, switch that battery in. Speed limit here is 40, and since there's lots of people there with a towing truck, I need to abide by the 40 speed limit. Go behind this one. He's probably doing a 40 as well, or behind this Jeep because he doesn't know yet. These grips I want to change out because it's kinda, my hand's numbing up a bit. The UV Expresses, yeah, they need to check that out. Very good. Nice, you see that? Kawasaki Ninja 650s. It's a Rikisa, man. Okay, part 2. I checked out their Facebook page again. I was pretty sure that they were in there. I just want to make sure one more time. I checked out their address, their street address. Everything seems to be spot on. No. Check one more time. Second time's the charm. I hope it's still good. It's 4:44 in the afternoon. Well, they're not taking any chances. Look at that. That's a Lexus LC300 and still they're flagging it down. They're checking all the things that are pertinent to this, and they're not targeting any motorcycles at the moment. Maybe later. Maybe later they're gonna be checking out motorcycles. But that's a nice ride. See that yellow one in front of me? That's a Lexus. Paso car. Tinikling, yes, that's correct. This is the correct street. Once more. Up ahead is the first crossing. That's the first crossing. And there's a second crossing. This one, that's a roundabout. Coming here. Then the next one. Alright, I give up. I already called them. It was ringing. Then no one picked up. There it is. Ayo. Ayo. Well, yeah, it's here. Nobody's here. At least I found the place. And while we're at it, I would like to do some shout outs. See, that's a very systematic thing on my side to bring out a shout out thing. Yeah. Shout out to SJ7 Motovlog. He was the one who reached out to me and says that, yeah, you need to do that. And I say, yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. So SJ7 Motovlog, shout out to you. Shout out to Bisaya Biker. Shout out to SC8 Rider. I think it's scooter rider or skater rider. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to Sinbad 683. That guy. I was in the MMU in Manila. Shout out to Sam88 and to Bisaya Explorer. Also to Lodi. He's like a vlogger. All of these guys are vloggers in here. Shout out also to Matt Motovlog. Also to Alwood Wick. You know, he's that, I think he's New Zealander or Aussie guy. Living with his wife and kids here. Also shout out to Vanex T Moto. He's in Manila and he was there also in the MMU. And shout out to all the viewers in this channel that has been supporting me. From Qatar, the United Arab Emirates, the UAE, and the States, the USA. Hey, represent USA. Also from the KSA, Saudi Arabia. And last but not the least, my viewers in the Philippines. Thank you. Well, my trip here did not go too well. I see that they have a shop somewhere else. This need to go there. I'm looking for a battery, the Yuasa battery. So since I'm not able to find one here, that's a vlog for another day. Let's go home. So once again, I'd be reminding everyone, especially the ones that I shouted out to, that we have a Motovloggers Meetup very soon. March 17 is my tentative date that I put in there. I'm inviting all the motovloggers in the Davao City area, neighboring areas, you know, Panabo, Tagum, Digos. Guys, come over to Davao City. It's gonna be March, around the March 16 is araw ng Davao. And I'd like to schedule it for the March 17, that's Sunday. So mostly everyone's gonna be vacant. So mostly everyone should be vacant. And come over to Davao City, check it out. What's happening? I'm still in the works to know where the route is. It's hopefully it's just gonna be here in the Davao City area, because it's gonna be too traffic to check out other stuff, especially going outside Davao City. But we can do a loop here in the Davao City area. Check it out. And look at this, it's kind of busy. It's a fanfare. I've been here for how many times already, going back and forth to these guys. These are our motorcycle personnel, the CTTMOs. And I'll show you the Kawasaki 650s, Ninja 650s there. This is probably a coordinated event. And I'd like to show you this event. These are the guys that have this. See, they have the new Versys X650. Nice motorcycles. There's like how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a lot, maybe a dozen of these Kawasaki Versys 650 that Davao City got for our motorcycle force. They can chase down criminals no matter, because these guys are fast. And yeah, these are the HPGs and they do their training. I haven't trained with them, but yeah, go Lycans. So yeah, check out this motovlog. Davao is doing some preparation for the Araw ng Davao stuff, and I'm just glad that we're cracking down on everything, checking out everyone. The motorcycles, they're not yet flagging it down, but we are in the process of clearing Davao City for the upcoming Araw ng Davao. Once again, this is Django Moto 1911, and check out my other videos. Click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed in this channel, and the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the future uploads that I do on this channel. Thanks for watching. Davao City is busy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thumbs up for our guys in the uniforms. They are in full force. Glad to see that, man.